Hello everybody, I wanna show you HMVC in CodeIgniter. HMVC stands for Hierarchical Model View Controller application design pattern, which makes your application modular. In each module, we will have controller, module, and view separate. So in this way, we can manage our code very easily. This is the GitHub link. You can download the HMVC pattern or framework from here. In application folder, in third party, we'll copy the MX folder to our project. From code, we'll copy these three files to our project. For in application, we will make a folder modules. In modules, suppose we'll have a module welcome. Then I will create our controller. Use models. From controller will copy welcome into this module. Use copy this view into modules. Done. So in modules folder, we have a module welcome. In welcome, we have controller, views, model separately. In controller, we write our controller. Where is our view? HTML. Now we are gonna test localhost. HMVC is running. Suppose delete this one. Working. So working from the modules. The HMVC GitHub link is in description box below. Thanks for watching this tutorial.